Hello students, this is the class 10th mathematics. On the 51st question, I have talked about and discussed about uh, 50th question from this portion of the examination Mega Math Exa. The 51st question, show that 506 is an irrational number. आपको ये प्रूव करना है कि 506 जो है वो irrational नंबर है. So that is the solution of this problem. Let 506 be a rational number. हम इसको मान लेते हैं कि 506 जो है वो rational number है, which can be expressed as a by b. Means if we talk about the rational number, there will be no variable about that. The any rational number can be written in the form of the a by b, where b is non-zero integer. A and b are co-primes. Here a and b are co-primes, ये भी मान लेते हैं. 506 equal to a upon b, so under root 6 equal to a upon 5b, so under root 6 equal to rational number. But under root 6 is an irrational number, thus our assumption is wrong. Hence 506 is an irrational number. देखिए हम इसको रैशनल प्रूव करेंगे और फिर उस बात को डिनाई कर देंगे कि ये रैशनल नंबर है. ये तरीका होता है रैशनल irrational प्रूव करने का. Question number 52. Write the denominator of the rational number 257 upon 500 in the form of the 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are the non-negative integers. Hence write its decimal expansion without actual division. So answer, there is the solution of the problem. We have the 500 equal to 25 into 20. So 25 can be written in 5 square into 5 into 4. Okay, so 5 square and 20 is can be written into 5 into 4, and the factorization method. So 5 cube into 2 square. Here denominator is the 500, which can be written as the 2 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 3. Okay, so now decimal expansion is here, and now the next question. Okay, the 53rd of the question. Okay, write a rational number between under root 2 and under 3. हमको under root 2 और under root 3 के बीच में rational number लिखना है. We have under root 2 equal to under root 200 upon under root 100. Under root 3 equal to 100, under root 300 upon 100 we can retain in the form of this. So we need to find a rational number x such that the 1 by tan under 200 as less than x is less than 1 by tan to under root 300. Choosing any perfect square such as the 225, इन दोनों के बीच में 200 और 300 के बीच में परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ढूंढना है. और 256 ये दो आते हैं. 200 and 300, we have the x equal to 225 upon 100 equal to 15 upon 10 equal to 5 upon 3. Similarly, if we choose the 256, then we have the 256 divided by 100 equal to 16 upon 10 equal to 8 upon 5. So these are the rational number between under root 2 and under root 3. Question number 54th. Write the rational number 777 upon 75 will have a terminating decimal expansion और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग डेसिमल. हमको ये लिखना है कि जो 7/75 जो है वो टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल है, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल है. तो सॉल्यूशन इज हियर 7/75 इक्वल टू 7 into 3 into 5 square. The denominator of the rational number 7/75 can not be written in the form of the 2m into 5 to the power n, so it is non terminating repeating decimal expansion. देखिए अगर 2 to the power m and 5 to the power n में लिखा जा सकता है तब तो वो टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपांस होगा, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 55th. सो दैट द 571 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर. हमको ये बताना है कि 571 एक प्राइम नंबर है. हम तो प्राइम नंबर प्रूव करने के लिए एट द फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टेक द रूट्स अंडर रूट ऑफ द बोथ साइड. अंडर रूट एक्स इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 571. नाउ 571 लाइज बिटवीन द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ऑफ द 23 स्क्वायर equal to 529 and 24 square 576. प्राइम नंबर्स लेस देन 24 और 24 से लेस देन जितने भी प्राइम नंबर्स है वो 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. Here 571 is not the divisible by any of the above numbers, thus the 571 is a prime number. देखिए अब जो हमने 24 से जितने लेस हमने निकाले हैं वो सब इनसे डिवाइड नहीं, मतलब 500 जो है 71 इनसे डिवाइड नहीं है, इसलिए ये एक प्राइम नंबर है. इफ द टू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स p and q are written as the p equal to a square p cube and the q equal to a cube b, where a and b are the prime numbers, then the verify LCM p q equal to SCF p q equal to p cube. So the here is the solution. We have the p equal to a square b cube equal to a into b into b into b, q equal to a cube, b equal to a into a into a into b. So LCM p into q equal to a into a into a, b into b into b, a cube into b cube, SCF equal to pq equal to a into b. So a square b equal to LCM into SCF equal to a cube b cube into a square b. So a to the power 4, b to the power a to the power 5 and b to the power 4 equal to the a square b cube into a cube b, so equal to pq. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the, okay, thank you very much. Now we were going to discuss in the next class the 3 marks questions.